Did astronauts actually hear music in space? In 1969, Apollo 10 astronauts reported hearing strange whistling sounds while orbiting the far side of the moon. For nearly an hour, these mysterious tones filled their capsule when they were completely cut off from Earth communications. NASA kept these recordings classified for decades, fueling conspiracy theories about alien contact. The truth? Scientists now believe it was likely radio interference between the lunar and command modules. But some astronauts still insist what they heard wasn't mechanical. The recordings were finally declassified in 2016. But the debate continues. What do you think they really heard out there?